Here's how to split 2, 3, or more PDFs on your iPad without using any PDF editor app. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. First, open your PDF file on your iPad using the Preview app. Tap on the Share button in the top right corner, then tap on Print. Now select the page range you want to split. On the left side, you'll see the page preview. Check the page numbers. Suppose you want to split from 100 pages. Just scroll and select from your start page to your end page. Next, tap on the upper arrow with the square box Share button again at the top of the pop-up. Wait a few seconds while your new PDF is being created. Then, in the Share sheet, find and tap Save to Files. Rename the file before saving your new PDF, like Part 2 or Part 3. Choose where you want to save it from the left panel. I'm going to select the Downloads folder. Finally, tap Save in the top right corner. That's it.